Good morning. My name is Alfredo de la Cruz with DRI System here in Napa Valley, California. Today I'm going to show you how to install the DRI system. This is a DRI 12 inches long. We're going to install it right next to the vine. This is my installation tool. We will locate the tool next to the vine at a 45-degree angle. Now that we have the hole next to the vine, we're going to install this underground 3 inches. The DRI 12 is down below. It is very important to compact the dirt back into the hole to create pressure. Then we get the tail of the unit. We wrap it around the pencil rod located next to the vine to protect the unit from being ripped out by any tractors or machine going by the aisle. We will locate the nearest dripper and connect. And that's how simple the DRI system is installed. Thank you very much. My name is Alfredo de la Cruz with DRI Systems.